Because she said that if the world is a ball, if it's curved, why do airplanes fly straight or something like that? Like, why don't they fly with the curvature of the earth? And I guess there's a bridge somewhere from I don't know, from two places, like across the ocean or something like that. And I guess the people who built the bridge said, or someone who built the bridge claims to have been a part of the team, said that they didn't, that when they build bridges, they don't account for the curvature of the earth, and building it that far across, like there should have been some kind of, like the earth should have not been flat or something like that. And they're real life people.